Assalamu alaikum. This math for class 5 percentage chapter. See, Hussein's monthly income is 2500 taka and he spends taka 1750 on food. Shamim's monthly income is taka 1800 and spends taka 1440 on food. Express the ratio of expense on food to the total income in percentage. Given Hussein's monthly income 2500 and expense on food 1750, he spends on food against income per month on food 1750 and monthly income 2500. If this 0 and this 0 we cut, then 175 by 250. If we remove 10 from here, there will be one decimal. It means 17.5 by 25. And if we use percentage sign, we have to multiply by 100%. 100 divided 25 equal to 4. 17.5 multiply 4 equal to 70.0%. 70.0 means 70%. Again, Shamim's monthly income 1800, expense on food 1440. He spends on food against income per month on food 1440 and monthly income 1800. This 0 and this 0 cut, then 144 by 180. To use percentage sign, you have to multiply by 100. Then this 0 and this 0 cut, 144 divided by 18 equal to 8. 8 multiplied 10, 80%. Hussain spends 70% and Shamim spends 80% against their income on food. Who spends more portion on food? Hussain spends 70%, 70 by 100. Shamim spends 80%, 80 by 100. 80 is greater than 70, therefore 80 by 100% greater than 80 by 100 greater than 70 by 100. Answer: Shamim spends more than the Hussain for their food against their income. Next, some money borrowed from bank with annual interest of 15% and paid amount interest of taka 1680 1 year later. How much was the principal? We have to find out principal. Given interest equal to 1680, rate of interest 15%, 15 by 100. If 15 divided by 5, then 3. 100 divided by 5, 20. 3 by 20. Number of year, 1 year. We have to find out principal. Principal equal to what? P. We know the formula PRN equal to I. Therefore, P equal to I by R multiply N. I equal to given 1680 and R equal to here R equal to 3 by 20. 3 divided 20. If we multiply, it will be reciprocal. 3 will be here and 20 will go up. 3 by 20, but 20 will go upside. Now 1680 divided by 3, 560. 560 multiplied by 20. 11,200. The required principal is taka 11,200. Next statement C. Taka 15,000 borrowed from bank for 5 years with annual interest of 8%. How much taka should pay back? Should pay back means interest, principal plus interest amount. How much amount will be 5 years later? Given principal equal to 15,000, R equal to 8%, 8 by 100, 80 is divided by 4, 200 is divided by 4, 25, 2 by 25, and equal to 5 year. Amount we have to find out. You have to learn this formula. Amount means equal to amount. Amount means principal plus interest. Principal plus interest, the formula of amount is P multiply within bracket 1 plus R multiply N. Given P equal to 15,000 within bracket 1 plus R equal to, see, R equal to 2 by 25. 2 by 25 and N equal to 5 years, right, 5. N equal to 5. 25 is divided by 5, 5. Therefore 1500 multiply within bracket 1 plus 2 by 5. Now we have to do LCM of 1 plus 2 by 5. LCM is 5. Then 5 divided by 1. 5 1 is 5. Plus 5 divided by 5 1. 2 1 is 2. 5 plus 2 7. 15,000 multiply 7 by 5. 15,000 is divided by 5, then 3,000. 3,000 is multiplied by 7, 21,000. Amount 21,000. Amount means principal plus interest. After 5 years, he has to pay back 21,000 taka. See another statement. 5,000 taka borrowed from a bank and 98,000 taka pay back of 8 years later. What was the rate of interest? You have to find out rate of interest. Given equal to 98,000 taka, P equal to 50,000 taka, equal to interest plus principal 98 and principal 50,000. Therefore, if we subtract, we will get I equal to 48,000 taka. Now we have I equal to 48,000 taka, P equal to 50,000 taka, N equal to 8 year, R equal to what? We have to find out R. We know R equal to I by Pn. And here is percentage, so we have to multiply by 100%. The I equal to, we got 48,000 and P equal to 50,000, N equal to 8. And 100%. 48,000 divided by 8, 6. First, this 30 cut. 48,000, this 30 cut. Then 100. This. Then we have to, now we are getting A 48. Here divided by 8, 6, and this is 50, 100 divided by 50, 2, and 2 multiply 6, 12%. Rate of interest 12%. See another one. In a shop, an item of 1800 taka sold and discount 20%. How much taka was the selling price? See here, cost price equal to 1800 and less discount 20% of 1800 taka. Discount should be given 20% of 1800. 20% multiply 1800. We have to less this, subtract. Then selling price 1800, less means minus 20%, 20 by 100. Here is of taka 1800. Now this 20 and this 20 we can cut, and here 18,000 and minus 20 multiply 18, 360. 1800 minus 360, 1440, 1440. Therefore, the selling price was 1440. Note this math and practice this math. Thank you.